Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the new video of English speaking classes. I know you really want to speak in English, but how you can speak in English? What is required to become an English speaker and what is important so that you can speak in English? I will going to tell you everything in today's video. I want to tell you a dark truth, the secret of English, how you can speak. So the one thing you required is sacrifice. You have to sacrifice so many things if you really want to become successful in your life. You have to sacrifice your friends. You have to sacrifice going out. You have to sacrifice so many things if you really want to become perfect. And if you want to compete, your competition is not with others, but your competition is with yourself. If you are good, so you have to be on the peak, and what you need for this, that is knowledge. What makes people different? A difference is knowledge. Look at the professor of any university, how knowledgeable they are, and look at the person who's just doing the work for their bread and butter. What is difference? They all are doing 8 to 10 hours job, but the difference is knowledge. Someone is doing work by their hand and someone is doing work by their mind, like a professor or teacher, those who are delivering the lecture and connecting with the students emotionally and with so many factors. But a one person who is just working with their hands or doing hard work to earn a little bit amount. So that is the difference of knowledge. When you will going to connect your mind, body and soul, you will really become perfect, become successful. As in the Gita also said, the Bhagavad Gita, because what do you think you will become? If you think that you want to become an English speaker, so you will going to be. Nobody can stop. Only one person can stop you. It is you yourself. Nobody else. If the someone give you the greed that please come with me or I have some work, say no, because you are wasting your time and time is precious. Your time should be yourself only. You should work hard. Whatever you do sports or you do study, whatever you do, but your time should be precious for yourself because it will never come back. So let's start today's video with some amazing and new advanced English words. First word for the day is profuse, flowing, extravagant. When we gave Marian our house, our car and all our clothes. Proletariat, industrial working class. The proletariat is the laboring class. Proliferate, spread or grow rapidly. Honeybees proliferated when we filled our yard with flowering plants. Prolific, abundantly productive. A prolific writer is a writer who writes a lot of books. Promulgate, proclaim to publicly. The principal promulgated a new dress code over the loudspeaker system. Propensity, natural inclination. Jesse has a propensity for saying stupid things. Propitious, marked by favorable signs or condition. A rush hour is not a propitious time to drive into the city. Proponent, an advocate. Proprietary, characteristics of an honor. Propriety, properness. The old lady viewed the little girl's failure to courtesy as a flagrant breach. Prosaic, unimaginative. You will going to tell me what should be the sentence. Proscribe, outlaw, spitting on the sidewalk and shooting. Proselytize, convert. The former Methodist had been pro- proselytized by a Lutheran deacon. So, friends, we have done today's session of English learning. Now, you need to write these words with meanings and make a sentence. After that, you should read English newspaper every day, whatever you are doing. But English newspaper reading is required for everyday practice. Listen English media, listen like BBC, CNN. There are several news channels, but I basically prefer BBC. And for reading, I prefer Times of India. You can also buy and read for everyday purpose. Last thing, speak up. Speak with your friends, with your neighbors, everyone. Because if you will speak, you will grow. And your growth depends on yourself. As much as you will work hard on your English skills, you will grow and you will open opportunity for you. Opportunities like going overseas studies or getting job in MNC companies. So keep on working hard. It is your life, it is your career. As much as you will practice, as much as you will grow. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.